His channel has uploaded only 44 videos and already has a massive 398k subscribers. Oh my God, is that even possible? Yes, it's not just possible, it's happening right now. Just 44 videos and it's already earning thousands of dollars every single year. But wait, it gets even crazier. If you check this channel on Social Blade, you'll see the estimated income is in the thousands of dollars per month. Yes, you heard that right, every month. Oh my God, this is amazing, man. No big team, no expensive equipment, just smart, consistent uploads. And the best part? It's an AI-powered animation channel. Imagine this, if the creator adds just a little more effort, maybe a few extra uploads or improved thumbnails, this channel could easily grow into a six-figure income machine. We're talking about millions of views, passive income, brand deals, and a channel that runs almost on autopilot. And here's the truth. If one person can do it with 44 videos, why not you? This is the power of modern tools, AI, creativity, and strategy combined. And guess what? You can start today. For free. 100%. No, 200% free. So buckle up, watch this video till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Just take a screenshot. No need to enter any complicated prompt. Now come into ChatGPT and simply type, "I want to create this type of animated video. Kindly prompt me 8 prompts with the same character and same situation." That's it. No need to write any special or offensive text. Just keep it simple and clear. Hit enter and then dazz. I mean, it's amazing, bro. ChatGPT instantly gives you 8 super cool prompts, all matching, consistent, and creative. They look awesome, and yes, they actually work. You don't need to be a pro or spend hours figuring things out. Just copy-paste, and you're ready to go. It's literally that easy. This trick is a game changer for anyone creating AI videos, so don't miss it, try it once and you'll be blown away. Now that your prompt is ready, head over to Canva AI. Yes, you heard that right. Canva's new update comes with an amazing AI image generation feature built right in. Just enter your prompt and boom, you'll see the magic happen in seconds. You can change the style, adjust the size, customize the colors, and even tweak the visual tone to match your vibe. It's super easy, beginner-friendly, and perfect for content creators who want fast, high-quality visuals. And if you want another awesome option, check out Piclumen AI. It's a 100% free website for generating stunning AI images without paying a single rupee. No hidden costs, no subscriptions, just enter your prompt, select the size, and dazz! Once again, it's mind-blowing, bro. Whether you're making YouTube thumbnails, animation scenes, or storytelling visuals, Canva AI and Piclumen AI are game changers. No more expensive tools, no more design struggles, just fast, free, fantastic results every time. Try it once and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now that your picture is ready, it's time to take things to the next level. Let's generate an amazing animated video. For this, I'm using the website called Haliou AI. And let me tell you, it's a total game changer. Haliou AI gives you 1,100 free credits in the free version. That's more than enough to create multiple high-quality videos without spending a single rupee. Yes, 100% free, no hidden charges, no subscriptions. Here's how simple it is. Just upload your image. No need to write or enter any prompt. Just choose the camera style, like close-up, cinematic, tracking shot, etc. Click on Generate, and boom! Within seconds, it creates a beautiful, HD quality animated video that looks smooth, professional, and seriously impressive. Haliou AI handles everything: facial expressions, camera motion, lighting effects, even subtle animations that bring your static image to life. It's fast, smart, and user-friendly. You can create videos in different angles, try various camera movements, and even customize the length and frame style to suit your content. And the best part? You can keep repeating the process with different styles and still stay within the free credit limit. So yeah, you're basically generating professional-level animated videos for free, again and again. This is the kind of AI tool every creator dreams about. No skills? No problem. No budget? Still no problem. Haliou AI makes video generation so simple, anyone can do it, and everyone should try it. Trust me, once you see the result, you'll say, OMG, this looks like it was made in a studio. So go ahead, upload your image, choose your style, click Generate, and enjoy the magic of Haliou AI. Let's make some viral content. Now it's time to bring everything together and make your final video look clean, professional, and ready to go viral. Open CapCut, one of the best and easiest free editing tools available. Start by dragging all your generated videos into the CapCut timeline. Import them one by one and arrange them in the right sequence. Carefully adjust the size of each video so that everything fits perfectly on screen. Avoid any parts being cut off and make sure the visuals are framed properly. This small step makes a huge difference in making your video look polished and professional. Next, add smooth transitions between clips to keep the flow engaging. Use fades, slides, or zooms depending on the style you like. You can also apply visual effects to enhance your video. Try using cinematic filters, glow effects, or soft motion blur to make it feel dynamic and high quality. To make your video even more engaging, add text overlays for brief explanations or highlights. Keep your text clear, minimal, and well-timed with the visuals so that it enhances the storytelling without distracting viewers. Now for the finishing touch, background music. Visit the YouTube audio library and download a copyright-free music track that fits the mood of your video. Import the audio into CapCut, place it under your video timeline, and adjust the volume so it complements the visuals without overpowering any narration or sound effects. Once everything looks good, export your video in HD. And just like that, you've created a high-quality animated video using free AI tools and simple editing techniques. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.